This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
If you use LinkedIn, you might also know that connecting to a friend or a colleague is so easy on LinkedIn platform. You just have to send an invitation, and it's a permission based, obviously, and then you get connected. So LinkedIn had made this extra easy to refer a friend or colleague to the platform. Now this increased the user base, it increased the network, not only of LinkedIn, but it also increased your network. So, which is quite what people are looking for to create and obviously have business deal with them. Now, the company put all the necessary tools in place for share buttons, to leaving a space for personal notes that made reaching out to people as easy as pie. So this is one of the very hack what LinkedIn use, and because it is inside the platform, that makes it really easy to grow exponentially. Second one is giving an opportunity to develop your own professional brand. So I have my own LinkedIn account, so I have developed my own professional brand. I have developed my own, details. It's just like a resume, but people I'm connected with, I can actually showcase my, achievements on my LinkedIn profile. So building your own brand is another hack which LinkedIn gives to its users. Word of mouth is again, which is we have talked about time and again in the previous videos, but this is almost word of mouth technique. The third one is LinkedIn is redefined the hiring process. So it is not just where you connect with people, but you can actually get hired, or you can actually hire professionals, because it's a professional social network and it is easy to connect with people via your connections. And LinkedIn has connections from connection first level, second level, third level, so you can actually have connected with anyone literally on LinkedIn. And hiring process is one of the very like talent solution for the companies, big companies, mid-sized companies, has become really easy on LinkedIn. So if you're looking for a job, then you simply just have to have an updated LinkedIn profile, and that is it. Okay, so what do we take as a key takeaways from LinkedIn success is that they designed the product to be personal and customizable. So they have built the application in such a way that it is doing marketing on its own, seamlessly embedded word of mouth within the product life cycle. So as I said, word of mouth within the application. So you are actually referring, connecting, and you are actually inviting. That is all word of mouth. Made the whole experience highly social and interaction based. So social network interaction with the people you know, and obviously with connecting with people you would like to be connected through your friend or your colleague within the connection is a really, really good experience. Prioritize user experience as a core driver of usage and engagement. And obviously it is mobile, so you can just with the LinkedIn app, it is a way to go, and you can just while you can 24/7 you can use that and take it in use. All right, LinkedIn hack, very interesting. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye for now.